Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add glow effect in Photoshop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, this is an photo where I want to add glow effect on my background. So for that I just need to select the photo, and once you do that, just go to this tool and here you will find the option for select subject, or you can just manually select your photo just like this. Once you do this, just hit right click on the photo which we have selected and hit on layer via copy. As you can see right here, we got the cutout photo from the original one and we are going to add the glow effect on the cutout photo. For that we just need to select the photo and hit right click. Here you will find the option for blending options. Just click there and here we have to click on outer glow. Okay, and you will see many options are there. You can just play with them. Let me just select the color of my glow. I'm just going with white color. You can just choose your color according to you, and you can just change the opacity, or you can just make this noise to 0 and set this opacity to 100 for now. And here in the spread we can just make this value a bit larger and just make this size like this. Now you can just decrease the spread, increase the size, so you just need to figure it out by yourself. And in the quality you will find the graph, so if you want to change you can just do this according to you, but I'm just going to leave it as it is, so I'm not gonna change. So I'm just hitting on OK, and here you will find the range also, so you can just make the range smaller, bigger according to you. Once you do all these changes, just hit on OK. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can add glow effect in Photoshop. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.